Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete app cache on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you see that any app which was working previously well and good now is having problem, and if you want to make it faster, then you can simply delete app cache on your iPhone iOS 26. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of that app because sometimes older version also creates problems. So first of all, you have to check for that. Now, if you want to delete the cache or want to refresh the app, then you have to simply go to settings here. And after that, you have to simply search for the apps here. For example, if you want to create an app and here if you want to delete cache, then here you can simply find there is no option available. Now if you want to delete the app cache, then you have to simply go to general again, and this time you have to simply click on iPhone storage, and here you have to simply search for that app in the storage, and here you can simply find that. Here you can simply find the option. The first option is as offload app, and the second one is delete app. As you click on offload app, then it will delete all of the cache and data from your apps. And as you click on that, and after that you have to simply reinstall the. As you click on that offload app, then there will be an option available to reinstall the app. So if you do not want to delete your data, you do not have to click on that offload app. But if you want to refresh it, then you have to simply make sure that you have simply uh, remove that app from the home button. As you can see, as you remove that app from the home button, it will be refreshed. But if you want to clear the cache, then there is no option available in the iPhone. So you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.